meeting Daniel at the SNES Fest was part of it. Part of it was the integrations. Part of it was the bots, being able to actually alert on something, so that could take the and we do that for using Next Ticket, right? So we say, hey, you haven't. We use that's really primarily where we use the bots from is the Next Ticket, late ticket notification, haven't checked in the mornings, type of thing. That usually more for from the technician standpoint to alert them on things, because I was using BrightGauge at the time, and I know I wanted more integrations, and I know that I wanted to do more things, and the more integrations I added, the more expensive my bill got with BrightGauge, because every integration costs you more money. BrightGauge is drag and drop, right? It's very the UI is easy. MSPbots is a little bit different, but it's built on the more of an access database type style, where you can pull information as long as you can pull it and query it, you can display it. After seeing some stuff he's doing, I'm like, wow, this could even take it to the next level, because he's actually doing HTML words and with the numbers and stuff inside of it, and that's even taking it beyond what BrightGauge could do, because they couldn't even do that. Be able to monitor everything that you have in one pane of glass, because we have so many different tools, and not one single tool integrates with everything. Even like I said, even MSPbots doesn't integrate with everything. But being able to integrate with, a subset of most of the tools, and you're always adding more integrations, which is good. I like to be on the cutting edge, of things. Just the way I like to be there, and automation is the wave of the future, right? So, especially to stay lean and stay ahead of the game of what we want, because we don't want to have to add headcount if we don't want to. But we also know we have to service the clients in the same way. Like I've told some of the other people in my peer group, my True Methods peer group, and my TeamLogic board group, that it's been a tool that we've really grown to. It's one of our tools that we rely on heavily. My service manager relies on it. My operations manager relies on it. For every meeting we have our daily team huddle. It's got a dashboard, the metrics that we look at every day. Our weekly management meeting has a dashboard of the metrics we look at on a weekly basis. We have a service dashboard for the client dashboard that gets sent out monthly. We have our centralized services dashboard that pulls in all the statistics from what backups didn't or failed. So it's a single pane of glass for our technicians. It's I have a few direct reports that still report to me outside of the service manager. And I have a dashboard that monitors their progress on a weekly basis. They're mainly the level 3 project team, to make sure that they're doing their tasks. It's like the service manager, make sure the help desk are putting in time on tickets and that sort of thing. Jazz has been great. She has been great. Anytime I need something, I send her a message, and she makes it happen for me. You guys are you're very much like me. Is I always want for my text to be waiting on the client or a vendor or something like that. You guys are the same way. I've noticed. And anytime I need anything, you're right there to try to help do it. And I really appreciate that aspect of it. And I know we're also working on the redesign of our monthly report that we send out to our clients. So we have a monthly report that goes out to all our managed service clients, and what is how many tickets we open, how many tickets we close, and it's all automated, which we love. It goes out, and I wanted to make it, this is Jazz's words, prettier. Because I was trying to explain to her, I said, I just don't like the way it looks. You want to make it prettier? I said, yes, you're right. I want to make it prettier. Yeah, I want to make it prettier. So she got me in touch with somebody who's actually working on it right now. He just made some modifications and sent me a message yesterday, and it's looking good. It's looking real good, and it's 100% better than what we had. What I've been sending out each month. Right, we're taking it to the next step, and I think it's going to be something that even MSPbots can be proud of.